Hey there, today we're going to be exploring Cutout.pro. It is an AI generation tool, lots of art tools, lots of apps that you can check out. This one is their AI art generator, and the gallery here, as you can see, lots and lots of characters, focus, and it's pretty high quality. You can always click on these to learn more and see the prompt. Copy the prompt, explore the style, and even free download. The download does have a watermark, so that's something that I do want to note there. But a lot of these art generations are really nice to look at. You can see here, I would highly recommend checking these out. There's a lot of sexy stuff on here, so don't want to go through that for now. But you can search for an image. So let's say you want to see images of spiders. You can see if anybody generated that. And here are some of them. That's really cool there, and this is just their gallery. So if you go to their website, cutout.pro, you can see that they have lots and lots of different tools. Something like background removal or image removal there, and you can add background to your videos, you can remove background from photo, and even cut out your face. So if you're looking to attend some graduation and trying to enlarge some faces, at the stands there, this is a good way to do it. But we are checking out their AI generation art tool. So just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to this page where you can really start generating without logging in. Now, you do have a login to download, start sharing, but this is really easy to set up. And if you're interested in looking at pricing, we're just going to go ahead and look at this. So, subscription plan, you get 40 credits for $5, 1,200 credits for $70 a month. So, in line with all the other apps, are around $30. Midjourney, for example, you get 400 credits per month, or you can just pay as you go. So, in the free account, you do get 5 free credits, and you can earn more if you start sharing it. Right, that's something that you can do. But I find that you don't really need to pay if you don't want to. I think this is a good tool to learn and see and what you can really create. That's always something that I highly recommend. See if you like it. If it works, then you can check it out. But you can see here, these are really fun. I'm just go ahead and click on generate, and it takes you to this AI art generator. As you can see, if you want to learn more, you can start reading all of this, but it's really easy to start, right? You can describe exactly what you want to generate. You can look for inspiration. So there's celebrities from Elon to Taylor Swift, some characters here. So if you don't have any ideas or scenarios are more just like the backgrounds, like landscape. If you don't know how to or what to say, it kind of helps you there. So here's where you describe, and there's inspiration again, and then you get your reference images. So let's say you want to do some images of yourself, make some avatars, turn yourself into a cartoon, turn your kids or dogs into cartoons. That's something that you can do as well, or just kind of generate new images of images that you were inspired by, right? So that's always good. For sizes, you get 1 by 1 all the way to 16 by 9. I think these options are great, really easy to choose and select. And then the output just depends on what you need. So if you want a landscape image, then 16 by 9 is perfect. If not, 1 by 1, just generic avatar style. As you can see, their filters are quite extensive. It goes from avatar or character, meaning like a face or a subject. So this is like people. So photographic all the way to like a first person shooter game. You get like graffiti, clowns, and a lot of elves. You'll see a lot of people start using these ones right here. Just quick and easy, just testing. And then in scenario, you get like the environment, right? Those landscapes, those cool sceneries per se. So you get some coffee shop, sci-fi, realistic, and all of that, which is really cool. So we're gonna start with character style and see what we can get. As you can see, I'm not logged in or signed up or anything. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on photographic and then just put portrait of girl and then click on generate. I find that it does move relatively fast, just a few seconds, maybe 5 to 10. Because it's a simple prompt, you can see it's really fast. And then as I hover over them, you can't really click on them, but you can. Each image download is about 3 credits. or you can share for free download, and that's, if you log in and you start sharing it and you can download it. But so far I think this is really cool, and the character and everything looks pretty good in my opinion. Let's try a different one. So let's go ahead and choose the elf and see what that would look like. So these are really good portraits. So if you're looking for this style, it's just really, really easy. Um, and here's vector art. So for those of you doing print on demand, this is a good tool. So if you're making stickers of, let's say, your dogs and your cats and your birds, and that's what you would want to use here. As you can see, just vectorize art, but I would probably just reprompt it to something along those lines where it's like a sticker of a dog there. So that is something that we can try. Sticker of a corgi. Click on generate and see if that can get us something. Again, like, this is a good way to test without having to log in and spend too much time learning how to use something. You just go right in and test it out, see if you like it. The gallery does have a lot of different images, so if you want to explore that, I encourage you. Um, these are pretty cool. You can start using these. As you can see here, it does give you a good input. For scenes, I do like that there are so many options, including a 3D room. So if you're doing modeling, you're doing like concepts, 3D games like that, that's really nice. We're going to do illustrations, so we're going to do like a sunset on the beach. And we're going to change it to 16 by 9 and see if we get a different look. Alright, so to spare you some time, I actually ran a couple other filters here. This one was really cool in terms of generating different things and different styles, and they're really fast. And what I'm going to do is sort of see if I can download at least one of these images and let you know how these actually are after you download them. Is it worth your money? Before that, I just want to share that I do have lots and lots of different tools that I find super fascinating. So if you go into their solution here, let's go back over there. So solution, they have interior design. So perfect for those of you who are interested in that. They have image design, e-commerce, auto design. So if you are somebody who are pretty much releasing like products online and you're trying to outsource like photo shoots and all that stuff, like this is pretty much something that can do for you. So that is really cool. So in terms of background removal, there's lots of apps that can do that for you, but the best part about this, I think, is like the bulk processing part. You can upload all of these images and get them done in bulk without having to learn Photoshop too much, I don't think. Then auto design, all of this is really cool. So video scene switching, image retouch, like improve your images just like that. Ads and creating everything there. If you look at the other products as well, these are really cool. Right? Face cutout, sky changer. So a lot of photo editing tools, a lot of prototyping, sketchings, and rendering. Right? Those are expensive, especially if you're just starting out. So this is something that you could probably invest in as a do-it-yourself. AI can do it for you. And instead of learning how to do all this, you're more focused on growing your business. So this is something that I highly recommend you checking out all their other products. I think is really, really cool. One of my favorite ones here is these product. So these are just 3D renderings of a sketch that you upload, and you can get a product rendering in just a few seconds. So let's say I want to add texture to this, I just generate it, and then it's going to start running for me. So this is all from their website. So again, if you're interested in checking this out, like you're interested in designing your own products to product research and you kind of just want some concept, this is a good way to do it. I'm able to do this just by testing for fun. So let me know if you are checking those out. But we're going to go ahead and download our creations by logging in and see if we can share it. And I'll get back to you on how that really is. And if this AI tool is worth your time. So. All right, so after logging in, I chose the share to download. And then I just linked up my Twitter account and then just had it posted on my Twitter, which I never opened. So we're going to go ahead and click to download and see what this looks like there. This is the batch number, I guess. We did download this one right here with the sunset and the mountain. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it there. So the pixels are not that great. If I were to look into my properties, I can probably tell you what this is. Go ahead and check that out for you. All right, so it is 800 by 500, not the best in terms of upscaling, but they do have a tool for upscaling. So they're pretty good at marketing all their tools and working together. So that is um, pretty neat that you can generate as many as you like just to test your prompt style, just to test different filters. And if you want, you can also check out the gallery that has tons and tons of different generations that already have been done. So if you want to go back to that and check out the gallery right there, you can see all these trending ones. And then we're going to search for another image. So let's say we are searching for a man. You get different options there. I think the spider example was better, but this is pretty good. You can check this out. And if you do like it, you can do a free download. It does have that watermark, but these are fascinating to explore. So if you have any questions or concerns, definitely leave me a comment down below.